Finally, we have reached algebra. Whew. Anyways, let's talk about adding and subtracting variables. Another way that you would call this is adding and subtracting like terms. In algebra, we use a lot of letters like x or y. I'm going to use x for this example. And if I was to add another x to it, we would get 2x. Now, the reason this is because, as we know, um, adding is just repeated multiplication. So this would be the same as 2 times x, right? Because we have two of them. If I had x plus x plus x, it'd be 3x, right? If I had 3 times x, so it'd be 3, so it'd be x plus x plus x, right? X plus x plus x 3 times, right? When a number is right next to a letter like x, this is just meaning multiplication. So this would be 3 times x, but you would just say 3x, right? Because if I had said that x is equal to 2, yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Anyways, right, if I had made x equals 2, then this one would be 2 plus 2, which is 4, which is the same as 2 parentheses. Also, this also means multiplication. So it'd be, right, I'm just replacing it for x. Right, I just replaced x equals 2, so I just replaced x with the 2, right? So I put it in parentheses and I multiply it, so 2 times 2 is just 4. Right, so if I replace this x with a 2, right, it'd be 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6, which is the same as 3, 2, right? I just replaced the x. So that's why when you add like terms like x, they're all the same letter, right? So they're the same term. You just write how many of that we got here. So we have 3 of them, right? So you just write 3 and then just x. Now if I had something like, oops, what's wrong? Okay. No, it works. Sorry, I don't think I'm a little tired right now. Yeah, something like this. All we're doing is we're just adding the numbers. So it'd be 5 plus 8, right? So that would be what? It would be 13. And then we just write x. Remember, we have to have the same. Not remember, I haven't told you that probably yet. But so we need the letters that they're next to be the same. We can't do something like this. We can't, like, if there's a 5xy plus 8x, it's not, it's not 13xy, right? That's not right. If I had a y added to this, right, then I could add them, right? Then this would be true. But because we only have an x for here, we can't add them. So when we're adding like terms, we can only do it if they have exactly the same letters. And we can only combine letters that are the same. So we can't add a z plus a y. We don't know what that is. If it was z plus z, we could just rewrite it as 2z. So yeah. Same thing for more subtraction. You would just just do this. It'd just be 5 minus 3, which is 2x. Okay? That's really about it for adding and subtracting. It's not too different from regular subtracting or adding. It's pretty much the same. Where it gets a little more complicated is with multiplication and division, slightly. Not a whole lot, but yeah, that's about it.